What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we have a really cool product from our friends over at Tes Studio. It's going to be a little docking command station with shortcuts that you can use so you don't have to go through your main screen and find them, just to help your life a little bit easier on the road. Let's get into it. All right, out of the box, we're going to have our instruction manual, and this does come with a 1-year warranty. Our USB-C connecting cable right here, a trim piece removal tool, our connecting cables for our OBD2 port. It comes with 2 handles that attach to the console itself. This is for the Model 3 and Y, and this is for the Model 3 Highland. And these stick-on buttons that you're going to apply to the dock itself to let you know what you're controlling. And the moment we've all been waiting for, the control dock itself. So you're going to have a scroll wheel here with your different settings. You can push it. This top piece here is just made out of plastic, but the bottom piece is really nice and sturdy. You're going to place your stickers here to tell you what command you are inputting. And on the back, we have our USB-C port for our connecting cable. So this is a super easy installation. Around the back of the screen, you're going to want to take your handle here that corresponds with your correct vehicle. This is the Model 3Y version. And I'm literally going to attach like that and clip in like that. And that is going to connect on the back of your screen and hold sturdy. And if I want to detach it, I just squeeze. There's a little clip here. I will squeeze that clip. Allows me to detach it, and it comes right off. And let's get this connected to the screen. As you can see from the top, the dash buttons just clip in right here. And it's pretty secure. It's a nice color too. It blends in with the OEM color of the Model 3. Pretty sleek. There we go. And as you guys can see, I have a tilt screen, and this is working perfectly with that. I have no problems. So if you have a tilting screen on your Model 3 or Model Y, this will also work with that as well. Let's connect this into our OBD2 port, turn it on, and get these settings dialed in. Be right back. In order to access my OBD2 port on my 2022 Model 3, I have to remove this plastic trim piece here. So in order to access that, there's a piece up here, this triangle that has to pop out, super easy. And then there's also a rectangle on that side that pops out. Pull off this rubber trim piece. And then there's a clip you need to pop out, super simple. And then that should come right off. Once you set that aside, you're gonna take your wires, the big squares or rectangles right here, you're going to plug into your OBD2 port. Like this, and then that is a Y connector, so it's going to give you an open OBD2 port in case you want to plug another accessory in or run diagnostics. And then for me, I'm going to use the AMD power plug 2-in-1, so I have to unplug my OEM one. I'll plug that into the Y connector here, and then back into my OEM plug. So those are all connected. I have one that's still hanging here because that is for the Model Y Juniper. So I'll tie that with a zip tie at some point. Next up will be your USB-C cables. One goes into the device box here, and then the other side will route that wire to the docking buttons right now. And I don't like to clean up yet until I know the device or whatever I'm installing is working. So we're going to check that out, make sure that's good to go, and then we'll clean all this up and put it away nice and neatly. All right, let's take this wire and find the USB-C. Here we go, moment of truth. All right, looks like we have power to the docking station. Right now I'm controlling the AC. Here's the temperature, the settings. And off. Now when it comes to customization and functionality with the buttons, you have 20 different types to choose from. You have park, reverse, drive, left signal, right signal, charge port, mirror fold, battery preheat, dome light, window lock, front open, trunk, rear fan, your hazard, sport mode. You can move the seat backward and forward. You can open your rear passenger window for the driver's side and passenger side, and also open up your passenger front door with these buttons. And you're also going to be able to control the AC, so the fan speed and how cold or hot your interior cabin is. Now to set your custom icons, you're going to rotate the knob to the gear right here, and then click the corresponding button you want to change. So let's say if I want to change this one, which is my right blinker, I'll press and hold it. The knob will activate, and let's say I want to change it to my left blinker, and I'm supposed to be able to press it. It'll go back to the gear. That'll now be my left blinker. This one will be for my mirrors. As you can see, they closed. If I click it again, they open. This will be for my dome lights. They turn on, they turn off. And close. For my charge port, and it'll close it. This is to open the passenger door on the driver's side. This is the rear door on the passenger side, and the passenger door. For tucking the cord away, the directions tell you to go up here around this trim piece, and then go through and tuck it in your glove box, and you should come out right there, and it'll drop right under there, and you can hide it with your trim pieces. There we have it, y'all. A really easy install if you want to add some customization to your Tesla Model 3 Y or the Highland. Super nice, sleek, minimalistic. A great way to get through, 10 shortcuts so I don't have to go through all the menus. I'll definitely be using this for a little bit. Like always, I've got that code for you guys, M3Jazz, in the description as well to save you some little bit of bread, on Tes Studio's website. Anything that you guys want to order from there, use that discount code. It should work. And let me know what you think. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Is it too much? Is it too little? I always love the feedback and interacting with you guys, positive or negative. So it all helps the channel. Anyways, be blessed, take care, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.